Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to make this loading animation. There are 3 steps to make this animation. The first one is ball animation. There are 7 balls going up and down. The second one is text appearance. Each 7 letter appear one by one. And the third one is text disappearance. The last G letter goes from right to left to disappear the other 6 letters. Step 1, ball animation. So first, let's make a new composition. And so background color, you can choose black color and whatever you want. And I chose black color. And let's make a small one circle. So I chose the circle shape layer. And then I change the fill color. So I make fill first, and then I change the color from red to white. And we don't need a stroke, so we did this stroke. And we got a small circle. And also we need loading text. So let's type loading. So today I'm gonna use future font. So I change this font from Comic Sans to Future. Bold. Okay. And then I need to put this loading in the center, so I use align function to put this text in the center. Okay. And after that, I need to put this circle to the appropriate position. So first I change the scale size so to fit the width of L. Okay. Then I will make animation. So you can open the ellipse and ellipse path and position. Then you can put 3 keyframes. So the last one should be here, and which I change the second position from to minus 200. And I make a grid to make sure where the center line is. And in the first keyframe, I put this circle on the center line. Then let's see the preview. Okay, the ball goes up and down. So the going up takes more time than going down. So I need to change the second keyframe position a little bit later, and then I put easy ace, and I change speed keyframes like this, and the second one should be continuous. So okay, let's see the preview. Okay, looks nice. I duplicated, so I made 7 layers, and I put the 7th circle in on the G position, and then I clicked all layers and distribute 7 layers. Okay, cool. And let's see the animation. And finally, I put offset. So I use the motion tool layer to put the offset, but you can change manually the position. Looks good. Step 2, text appearance. Let's make the L animation first. So I made only the first cycle visible, and first I need to change from vector to shape layer. So after getting this outline shape layer, so I separate it into each layers based on letter. So only L is visible now. And I change the color of this loading shape layer. And then I will make text mask layer, so L mask. So I use path to this mask. So I follow this L text, and we don't need shape fill, we only need stroke fill. So I modified it. Okay, good. L should have L mask as track mate, and after linking, I add trim path animation to L mask, and changing the value, you can see the corner looks weird. So to fix it, I can change the cap to projecting cap, and if I change the value, looks much better. I add animation, so the end value should go from 0% to 100%, and I add easy ease and change the speed graph. And let's see the preview. And let's see the link between both animation and text appearance animation. So I change animation position, also circle position as well. Looks nice. I will show D as a second example. So if you see that, there's a difference position of ball falling and the appearance. To fix it, I change the D position value first, and then, the position goes to the original position. That's how the link between border animation and the appearance animation more natural. And let's see the preview. Good. Step 3, text disappearance. First, I will make the animation of G position. So I add the 3 keyframes of the position. The third position should be the same position as the first position. I need to make sure the position is correct. Okay, so the second position should be a little bit right from the first position. Then you can see the anticipation G going from right to left. And I add the easy ease and changed speed graph. And you can see a little bit weird movement. If you see the G closely, you can see that there is a Bezier line in the position. And if I fix it, then this G animation looks more natural. And I modify a little bit. Then I will make a scale animation. So the G should be the same size as the first ball. The first anchor position is the correct position. Then I change the size of G. And I will modify a little bit keyframe. Good. And after making the other letters visible, then I will make a mask. So I choose the shape layer, rectangle shape layer. I make the size bigger, horizontally bigger, so that the mask can hide the all letters. And the anchor position should be in the left. And I put this center line of G. And we don't need stroke, and we add fill. And this mask should follow G, so I make parental link with G. And then I make the effect set mate. And I took mate from layer, mask layer, and I add invert. And the arrow is now half visible, so we need to fix it. So the position, mask of position should not be in the center of G, but in the left of the G. So I change the position, and if you see the preview, then now looks good. So there are 3 steps to make this animation: ball animation, disappearance, and disappearance. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.